And now you're putting your sister in a position where she can go to jail.
Yeah.
I'm not saying she's gonna go to jail, but does she even know that he's arrestable?
How does a 16-year-old girl end up facing a jail cell, all because of her older sister's decisions? On Interstate 95, a routine traffic stop is about to reveal a dangerous gamble with family and the law. Welcome to Blue Line Raw.
Hello, are you Lourdes? Oh, you're Lourdes? Okay. Oh, your license is not good. No English? Oh, okay. So why you looking around like you don't know what I'm saying? You didn't know? Hi. Is your license good? Do you have an ID card? Can I see it? Hi. So why are you driving with no license? You know you can go to jail, right? Have you ever been stopped for this before? So you know you can go to jail and you're still doing it, huh? Whose baby is this? Why is he in the front seat? He's too little. He should be in a car seat. But he's not in it.
In the world of law enforcement, seeing children at risk changes the energy of a stop instantly. On a high-speed highway, the rules are not just suggestions. This is where a simple ticket turns into a serious criminal investigation.
What county is that? Huh? St. Lucie? Ooh. Yeah. Can you do me a favor? Can you put him in the car seat, please? Hi. Let me see your ID, registration, insurance. Any guns, any knives, anything crazy in here? You guys have someone you can call to come get you? You might gotta call an Uber because I might have to tow the car. How old are you? Oh my days! And you told her to drive. Yeah, but you permitted an unauthorized user to drive this car. So you committed 2 crimes now. 214. So you've committed a crime by allowing her to drive, and she's committing a crime by driving. So both of you could go to jail right now. That's not good, right? You're being detained for now. You're on probation?
April, so like
For
now
12 months.
Is that a violation? To get arrested for probation?
Yes, you broke the law.
You can't commit any criminal crime. You can't commit any crime on probation.
Oh,
or they
but
violated and they take it away. And
You know that.
Probation is a second chance that many people take for granted. When you are already under the microscope of the law, there is zero room for error. By allowing a crime to happen in her own car, this passenger just traded her freedom for a reckless decision. The safety net is officially gone.
It's not good, girl. Not good.
you're detained right now, so we're going to read your rights, all right? Just so you're aware of them. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say moves evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney, have him or her with you now, or anytime during questioning. You can afford an attorney, will only be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking to an attorney present, all questions stop your request. You understand these rights? Okay. On you, and now you're putting your sister in a position where she can go to jail.
Yeah.
I'm not saying she's gonna go to jail, but does she even know that he's arrestable?
She doesn't really know anything. She's just young.
Exactly. She didn't know no better. Now you put her in this spot. You know what I mean? I'm trying to beat you up over it, but it's not right. It's not right at all.
I understand, but can I talk to my mom? She wants me to
Hey,
do
you have your probation officer's phone number?
Yes.
So, did they not tell you that if you break the rules, you violate your probation?
They did tell me, but I didn't know, over them 4 years, I know, like, once I did it, and then they just gave me a ticket, but it didn't violate my probation.
Does your probation officer know you left the county?
No, she doesn't know. because he just told me I can go back and forth, but if I'm be able to stay out of the
Back and forth where?
like I can drive back as long as I don't stay out of the county.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you something. So you don't know anyone in your life that has a license. So who's gonna come and get the kids?
I don't know exactly.
Have you guys contacted anyone that can come and get you guys yet?
I've talked to somebody, but they don't have a license. You know.
But are they?
All right, can you
Are they headed here though? At least.
password so we can call your probation officer?
Are they headed this way though? Are they headed this way? Whoever you contacted about
It's
getting
not
your
working.
kids.
Sorry. I don't have her phone number, but I do have the card where I can call her
Where's the card at?
in my car.
Where?
In the front seat. You can search it up on Google. Like
You're very. Just talking to you for 10 minutes, I can tell you're very, very irresponsible. You don't have your probation officer saved in your phone to at least explain situations like this. You're allowing your young sister to. She can go to jail, you know that, right? Whose fault would that be?
Alright, planner, over tomorrow.
3 and Delta 312 status check.
Anything stuffed anywhere?
You got anything on you?
No.
Lourdes Isabel Arriaga Espinoza is now facing a mountain of legal trouble. She was arrested for 2 counts of child neglect without bodily harm, contributing to the delinquency of a minor, and permitting an unauthorized minor to operate a motor vehicle. On top of that, she was hit with an on-site violation of probation. What makes this case especially disturbing is her history. Lourdes was already on a 12-month probation for a driving under the influence charge that started back in April. Instead of taking her second chance seriously, she put a 16-year-old behind the wheel and left 2 toddlers, aged 1 and 3, completely unsecured on one of the most dangerous highways in Florida. This is a clear example of how one person's negligence can jeopardize an entire family's future. In the eyes of the law, being the adult in the car means you carry the ultimate responsibility for every life on board. She was released on an $8,000 bond, but her battle with the court is far from over. Do you think an $8,000 bond is enough for putting 2 young children at such high risk? Tell us what you think in the comments below. If you want to see more breakdowns of real-life legal situations, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw. Remember, every individual is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Thanks for watching.